Well, are you interested about the latest update on Messenger? Well, let me show you through. Now, according to news, Meta has introduced Meta AI features in Messenger where users can use AI bot during chat to ask questions, generate emails, and so on. It also has introduced HD quality photos option to send high quality photos in Messenger. Now, after the latest update, you can simply head into your Play Store or App Store and look in for Messenger and check if the update is available. And if it is available, you can simply go ahead and update it. However, if it isn't available, then you can wait for some time. And as it says here, this feature may take some time to update. In some reason, it will take some time to roll out to all the users worldwide, so you can wait until it releases on your region. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.